Hey everyone, this is my new powerful leaf blower I bought a few days ago. It's equipped with 2 large capacity batteries. They're simply easily removed by pressing and holding the red button. In addition, the grip at the handle is also very comfortable, and it has an anti-slip design. It has a very high wind speed and a strong cleaning ability, reaching 130,000 RPM per minute. I mainly use it to clean sawdust and dirt from my studio, like this. And it can adjust the wind speeds according to your needs. It can also be used for dust removal during car repair processes, and it's useful for cleaning gaps inside of the car or for cleaning fallen leaves outside of the car. It also comes with 3 pairs of noise-canceling earplugs. They're really great to protect your ears. In addition, when you're using it, keep it away from hair to avoid hair being sucked in to the motor and causing injury. It can also be used for home cleaning, yard, leaf sweeping, barbecue, camping, and more. In short, it is a very good and useful item.